Welcome to the Arugula Wellness channel. This is your guide to living a more healthy lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 plants that you can grow even during the winter. So I planted parsley and arugula in this little bed with some kale and stuff over the summer, and I didn't want to say goodbye to my parsley that was growing in the back here, so I covered it with these greenhouses. But it also had these arugula that sprouted or bolted, and I left them there. Some of the leaves are still green, which is amazing. So for the kale as well, which I already harvested some of these just now. But what I want to show you is what's going on in the back here with these parsley. First of all, this is my bucket that I harvested. The leaves are so huge, like I didn't even expect this to come from parsley that's been out here in the snow, people. But look at this. I'm gonna set this down. I harvested this from both sides, this one and this one, as well as a little bit of kale. I still left some leaves on it. I need to pop off one more of these leaves. Y'all, look at those germination arugula growing in the middle of the winter underneath all this snow. On account of this little greenhouse that I got on Amazon for like $6 a piece. I'm so amazed, and I think I might have two more. I might just pot them up and let the little arugula seeds do their thing. You can see I was being lazy and I didn't weed these up, and they kind of just burst their little seed pods, and now they're growing. It's November, y'all. It's almost Thanksgiving. I'm so amazed and so overjoyed, because I thought that this little joy of coming out here and picking my fruit or picking my vegetables from my garden was done for the year. But I'm so glad that I put these greenhouses over the parsley. And now look what I have. We still have a harvest, and this is probably one of the biggest harvests of parsley that I've ever gotten. And it's either because it loves the humidity underneath the greenhouse, or because I took so long to harvest them, because I thought that they were dead. This little discovery inspired me to make this video. So today I'm going to share with you 10 amazing plants that you can grow even during the chilly winter months. Whether you have a backyard, a greenhouse, or you're growing on your windowsill, there's something here for every green thumb. Let's dig in. The first one is Dinosaur Kale, also known as lacinato kale. Kale is the king of cold hardy vegetables, and dinosaur kale takes the crown. This superfood thrives in environments with temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 12 degrees Celsius. In fact, a light frost makes it even sweeter. If you're in an area with harsher winters, a simple row cover or a greenhouse will keep it thriving. Next, we have parsley. This herb isn't just for garnish, it's a winter warrior. Plus, it has so many health benefits. I'll tell you about that in another video. But I just showed you how strong this parsley is. It can survive down to about 20 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 6 degrees Celsius, although it might appreciate a little greenhouse TLC in harsher climates. Harvesting fresh parsley in the winter just feels like a luxury. Next, we have the peppery arugula. Are you craving that spicy bite in your salads? Arugula is a must plant. This plant grows really quickly, and it grows really well in the summer, but it can handle temperatures as low as 15 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 9 degrees Celsius. Add a row cover or use a greenhouse to protect it from icy winds, and you'll have fresh greens all season. Honestly, you can grow herbs like parsley and arugula on your windowsill. They don't take up a lot of space. This one might come as a surprise, but green onions. Who doesn't love green onions? These plants grow well down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 degrees Celsius, and they are a great choice for winter, adding fresh flavor to your meals all year long. For winter vegetables, your brassicas are your best friend. So we have cabbage. Cabbage loves the cold. These are hardy to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 Celsius, and it becomes sweeter after a frost. These have dense, nutrient packed heads, and so the leaves protect the cabbage inside. So it's a winter gardening staple. Broccoli. Broccoli is something else. Broccoli is surprisingly tough. It can tolerate temperatures as low as 25 degrees Fahrenheit or -4 degrees C. In fact, I think it can go even lower because I had broccoli in my yard. But if your area experiences hard freezes, use a greenhouse or a roll cover and that will keep those heads happy and healthy. And if you have broccoli that started in the summer, they will survive into the winter. You'll just have some frozen broccoli and you can still eat those. Then we have our root vegetables, starting with carrots. Carrots are a root veggie superstar for winter gardening. They're hardy to 15 degrees Fahrenheit or -9 Celsius, and they're happiest in a loose, well drained soil. For a pro tip, leave them in the ground during winter and they'll become sweeter over time. Then we have delicious beets. Beets are another root crop that shine in the winter. These beauties thrive in temperatures as low as 25 degrees Fahrenheit or -4 degrees Celsius, and they're perfect for roasting, juicing, or salads. Use a cold frame to give them a little extra love or a greenhouse for the freezing conditions. Then we have Swiss chard. Swiss chard is both gorgeous and hardy. It can handle low temperatures, like 15 degrees Fahrenheit or -9 Celsius. This is a gorgeous plant with vibrant stems, so it adds beauty and nutrients to your garden, even in the dead of winter. Last but definitely not least, we have peas. Peas are cool weather champions. They can tolerate temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit or -6 degrees Celsius. You can use a trellis to save space and use a greenhouse if necessary to protect them from harsher climates. The great thing about peas is that they fix nitrogen in the soil. So while you're preserving these over winter, they are feeding your soil for the next season with nitrogen. And there you have it, my friends. 10 incredible plants you can grow in the winter. Whether you're growing in the ground, using a greenhouse, setting up on your windowsill, these crops will keep your garden producing through the cold months. So, which one are you planting this winter? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy planting!